record. Okay, so what I want to do, you're recording, but I want to share a screen. So let me share a screen. This is the screen I'm going to share. Share. Okay, here is the screen. Hopefully you can see this screen now before you couldn't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sleeve quickly. I'm going to start, I'm in Inventor 2021. I'm going to open it up, open new drawing. I'm going to go start a 2D sketch. I'm going to click on the XY plane. And then what I need to do is I'm going to use revolve as a remodel or as a extrusion. Okay. So what I need to do is I'm going to have to mark a center line, and this is going to be a center line right there. And what I'm going to do is I want to do half of this object and then revolve it around this center line. Okay. So I'm doing the sleeve, and you can follow this and do this quickly and easily. But so what I want to do is kind of sketch a profile. So this, I'm just going to go out here about half of it is 2 1/4. So if I go out to about 2 1/4, okay, let me just type in 2.25, enter. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm not going to use that line, but then I'm going to sketch. This is going to go up. I'm going to say about 1 5/16. So let's go up about 1 5/16. Now watch what I do. I can go up this direction, and I'm going to say it's going to go 1 5/16. So let me just go up, make sure this is straight, do that, okay? And then I'm going to go over somewhat like this. Then I'm going to go up here. And so what I'm doing is just kind of sketching, getting an idea what it is. I'm coming down here. Then I'm going to come straight down here, and then I'm going to come over here. And this is the profile of this object, okay? And what I want to do is I did this line right here, but I want to trim. And I think in order for me to trim, yep, I can trim that. Okay, so that's 2.25. That's where that is. And now I'm going to try to put some measurements in here, okay? The distance from this, I'm going to just put dimensions from here to here is going to be, it's going to be 0.53125 because half of the distance, it says 1 1/16 drill. So half of 1 1/16 drill is 0.53125, 0.53125, enter. That's that, okay? The distance, I'm going to go ahead again. The distance from here to here is going to be 1 inch because the total distance across there, I'm looking at my drawing, is 2. So half of that is 1. And I go enter. All right. I'm going to make sure that that's 2.25. This distance in here from here to here is 3 3/4. Half of 3 3/4 is going to be 1.875. So let's go 1.875, enter. So that's that right there. This distance from, okay, let's go enter. No, that's not what I want. Let's double click this and let's make that 1.875, enter. That's what I want. I'm going to go from here to here. This distance is 7/8. So we're going to make that 0.875, enter. Uh-oh, that's not right. Let's just delete that. Let's go back. Let's go back. I want a distance from there to there. No, this distance, 0.875, 0.875, enter. So that moves that down. I don't want that to move that down. I want it to move it up. Let's delete that, okay? Why is that doing that? I need this line to go up. No, let's go, let's back up. What do we got going on here? If I start deleting, maybe delete this line. Let's delete this. These are right. Okay, so I want to go from this base. Let's see if I can do this. Go from here. Maybe I got to go from here to here. If I go from here to here, I've got to put a dimension. From here to here, 0.875. 0.875. Enter. Well, that's not right. I need that to move up. Let me do this. Let's delete this one too. I need to make sure, let's delete this one too. I don't know why that is not moving up. Let's just do this, see if I can go back. I'm gonna put some of those dimensions back in there. And let me see if I can dimension from here this time to here and make it 0.875, 0.875. Enter. And it still does that. So why is that stud there? Let's delete, cancel. Let's get back. I want to move this line up. There we go. This line, I want to, why is that there? Something's wrong. Move this, if I move this down, I think let's just delete this too. Let's go, let's delete this too. What do I want? I want this distance from here to here. Let's go, 0.875. Point here to here, 0.875, 0.875, enter. Okay, so let me just draw a line again in here. See what happens. I need to make this all accurate. Let's go the distance from there. Let's go distance from here to here is going to be supposed to be 1 5/16. Let's go, and it is 1.5/16 is, where's 5/16? 5/16 is 0.3125. Let's go 1.3125. Enter. Okay, that's good. All right, that's good. What's this distance? Let's go from here to here. It's supposed to be 2 1/16. Let's go 2.0625. Enter. No, click on it first. 2.0625. Enter. So that's that. Okay, so I have this dimension, and this dimension. Okay, now I got to do these dimensions too. So let's go. Dimension from here to here needs to be half of 4.5 is 2.25. 2.25. Enter. Okay, wow. And then let's go. Distance from here to here is half of 3 3/4 is 1.5 plus 3/8. 1.5 plus 0.375 equals 0.5625. So that's 1.5625. Enter. I got to click it. 1.5625. Enter. Okay, that's that, right? This distance from here to here is supposed to be 1. Enter. Right? Is that right? 1? Oh, because it's 2. So 1 to 2, and the distance from here to here is supposed to be 1 1/16. Half of 1 1/16 is 0.53. Let's go 0.53. Enter. Click on it first. 0.53125. Enter. That's that. Okay. Well, those are those dimensions. So I got this dimensioned, and this dimensioned. I got this dimensioned. Again, I got this one, and this one. All right, and then we're going to revolve it around this circle. So I can finish that sketch. And let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Let's go revolve. And we're going to make sure we revolve it around that. And then we go OK, and that's my object. There it is. All right, and we can look at it this way as well. Okay, look at the bottom. Boom. There you go. And that's that drawing. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and put it on a piece of paper. All right, seems a little bit complicated, but that's what it is. So you can sketch it and then put all your dimensions in, and that's certainly what I did. Okay, go ahead and try to follow along. See if you can do that, and then you're going to go ahead and put it on a piece of paper. All right, let me go ahead and stop share. Let me go ahead and stop recording.